because the markets in particular, except auto, all other sectoral indices are trading in the green. The BSE mid-cap and small cap indices are trading flat, however. Trent, L&T, Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, Titan Company are amongst the major gainers on the Nifty 50, while amongst those who are in the red are Tata Motors, Asian Paints, Britannia, Dr. Reddy's Labs and Tata Steel. This is the latest update as far as the market trends are concerned. But of course, here I have with me on my system live updates as far as the BSE Sensex is concerned. You can see the Sensex is currently at 77,669. I beg your pardon, 77,685.82 points. This is the latest this is the latest figure. It's just updated right now. You can see it's clearly in the green. It is rising even further, 77,695 even as I'm speaking. Over the last 5 days, of course, you can see the trends over here. It's been in the green 1 month as well. You can see it's on a high at the moment. There was a tumultuous period in between after Trump had declared his intentions to impose reciprocal tariffs on India. So you can see that slump right there in the beginning of the month. But now, of course, things are recovering. The markets are back in green. As far as Nifty is concerned, Nifty as of now stands at 23,582.05. Over the last 5 days, you can see similar trends. It's up over the last 1 month as well. You can see it's gradually recovered after the slump in the beginning of the month. Of course, both the Sensex and the Nifty were impacted after Trump's announcements. We have Dr. Sharad Kohli with us on the broadcast, senior economist, to help us decode these figures as well. Sir, you know, we were just speaking about Trump and Trump's tariffs about an hour ago. He's imposed fresh auto tariffs, yet we can see that the Indian markets are quite resolute. They're quite strong. They've opened in the green today.
Well, good morning again, Pia, and to the NewsX viewers. I think the market seemed to have absorbed the shocks of, Trump tariffs, and despite 25% tariffs being levied last night on the automobile industry, $240 billion is what America imports in terms of automobiles, all combined together. And President Trump said they intend to connect $100 billion of tariffs, for that matter. Fine. As far as the American fiscal revenue is concerned, that's fine. But the problem is that what President Trump should appreciate it that these automobiles are going to become very expensive. And the markets, thankfully, the Indian markets seem to have adjusted for 2-3 reasons. One, I think the impact on the Indian export industry, which are being done by all the companies which are listed, most of the companies which are listed in the stock exchange. So I think the impact will, after all, not be as bad on India. In fact, India can be a net gainer at the end of this whole exercise. But having said that, I would advise investors and traders to wait till 2nd of April, because 2nd of April is the date when the reciprocal tariff policy is being implemented. Over 100 countries are going to be impacted. America wants to levy same kind of tariffs in what other countries levy on America. So I think he has shown a little bit of softer stance on the reciprocal tariffs as well. But we'll have to wait and see, because with President Trump, things become quite unpredictable at times, and you never know what he does. But this time what has happened is that Doji, his own I would say companion in the head of Doji, Mr. Elon Musk, has criticized this 25% tariffs being levied, and they might affect Tesla car sales, because a lot of auto components being imported from China and other places of Tesla will be hit by these tariffs. So the cost of Tesla car is going to shoot up, which will anyway, Tesla car sales have been falling in America. They are being burned, they are being vandalized, damaged. Everything is happening to Tesla cars. And on top of that, if the price goes up, I think it's not going to help Tesla. So I'm sure Mr. Trump's best friend at this point of time, when he's going to say that these tariffs are not good, I'm sure President Trump is going to listen. But then, yes, for the stock market investors, the word of caution is that please wait till 2nd April. We're already into 27th today. It's a matter of few trading sessions. By 2nd of April, it will be clear. Then the market will definitely reveal a trend. But the good thing, Pia, which I would like to say before I wrap up is that the FIIs and the FPIs have been seen buying over the last few days, which was not the case since October. So that seems to be one big sign of a turnaround happening in the market. So I think the market will remain volatile 2nd April. But overall, last 6-7 days, apart from yesterday, have been good for the market for a change, Pia.